Hi, welcome back to my channel. Okay, today we will be creating this object. Okay, let's start. Firstly, need to click new and then click part. Okay. Okay, next click sketch. Choose top plane. Click rectangle and choose center rectangle. Okay. For the dimension, it will be 84 and then 50. This one will be 84 mm. This one will be 50 mm. Okay, next click Exit Sketch and then choose Feature. Click Feature and then choose Extrude Boss. For the depth will be 10 mm. Okay. Next, click top of the surface and then click Sketch. Change isometric view into top view. Click rectangle and choose corner rectangle. Okay. The dimension, click Smart Dimension and then the dimension will be 16 mm. Click Exit Sketch. Choose Feature. Click Feature. Click Feature, and then choose Extrude Boss. Before that, make sure click change from top view into isometric view. Okay. The depth will be 56 minus 10 and it will be 46. So the depth will be 46 mm. Okay, next. Need to create this area. Firstly, click Reference Geometry to create a plane and then choose Plane. First reference, click Front Surface and then the plane will be pop up. Okay, but the plane should go to the middle of the object. So click Flip Offset and then make sure the plane will be center of the object. So the total of the length is 50 divided by 2 and it will be 25 mm. Okay, click OK. Next, click plane 1 and then click Sketch. Change isometric view into front view. Click line. Okay. For the dimension, 84 minus 13 minus 16. Okay, and the dimension will be 55 mm. Okay. Click Exit Sketch. Change isometric view. Okay. Click Feature and then choose Extrude Boss. Okay, for this Extrude Boss, need to click direction 2. Okay, so the total of the Extrude Boss will be 10. Okay, will be 10. So the direction 1, the depth will be 5 mm. The direction 2 also will be 5 mm. The total will be 10 mm. Okay, click OK. The plane need to hide. Just click the plane and then click hide tool. Next, click before that. Okay. Next, click right side surface and then click sketch. Change isometric view into right side view. Click rectangle and then choose corner rectangle. Click smart dimension and the dimension will be 54. 54 mm. Okay, next, click circle. Click circle and then create a circle. Click smart dimension. The dimension will be 70. Sorry. The dimension will be 70. 70 mm. So the diameter for this circle will be diameter 19. Okay. This one will be 19. 19 mm. Okay, next, need to create another circle, radius 19. Radius 19. So the diameter will be 88. 88 mm. Okay, next, create a line. Okay, next, trim the line. Click trim entities. Make sure click trim to closest. Okay, click edit sketch and then change from right side view into isometric view. Okay, click feature and then choose Extrude Boss. Okay, change the direction into reverse direction and then the depth will be 13. The depth will be 13 mm. So the object will be look like this. Okay, thank you for watching.